Well, this tutorial focuses on how to recover notes from iCloud flexibly. Now read on and then get the best solution to restore the deleted notes with the least possible delay. Part 1. How to recover notes from iCloud selectively. How to fix iCloud notes deleted in the least time-consuming and easiest way. Well, you can try iPhone data recovery, one of the few most professional iOS data recovery tools available to date. How to retrieve deleted notes on iPhone from iCloud via iPhone data recovery. Open Recovery Program. Select iCloud and sign in. Pick Backup. Download to computer. Click Notes. Select desired items. Click Recover. Choose Destination Restore. Part 2. How to restore notes from iCloud.com. Sign into iCloud.com using your Apple ID and tap Notes. Choose the recently deleted folder to search the notes you want. Click Recover to recover the deleted note. After that, you can find the retrieved notes in the Notes folder. Part 3. How to recover deleted notes from iCloud by restoring iPhone. Go to iPhone Settings, General, Reset, Erase all contents and settings. We do this so that the device can go back to the setup screen. Follow the direction on the Setup Assistant until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Now select Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign into iCloud. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then select the appropriate backup. Wait for the task to be complete. The iPhone will then reboot, and you should see the notes on the Note app. Part 4. Other ways to retrieve deleted notes on iPhone. 1. Get old notes on iPhone from recently deleted folder. Open Recently Deleted in Notes. Edit. Choose Notes. Tap Move to. Pick a location. Notes will be recovered. 2. Recover deleted notes on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Do you want to restore deleted notes on iPhone or iPad from iTunes Backup file flexibly? Mobican Doctor for iOS is here to support in getting your iPhone data back selectively without covering the current content on your device. Bonus tip: how to manage iPhone notes on iCloud. Tip 1. Copy existing notes to iCloud. Tip 2. Migrate notes between folders. Tip 3. Add web pages to notes. Tip 4. Lock iPhone notes. Tip 5. Save new notes on iCloud.